Welcome. This video I'll show you how to pay with PayPal without credit card. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you can pay with PayPal without a credit card by just linking a bank account. As you can see here, I have two. Okay. Also, you can go ahead and pay by just using straight up from your PayPal balance. If someone sent you money or you have requested money, then you got that money in here under your balance, you can go ahead and choose to pay with your balance in here. Okay, just make sure when you go ahead over to settings, click on the gear icon. Now go ahead over to payments. Make sure that under online purchases is set to PayPal balance. Okay, when you click on it, you'll have more options such as selecting your active debit card. Okay, now if you don't have enough balance or money in your PayPal account, well, PayPal right here will automatically ask your debit card to handle the payment. Okay, that's basically it. Now, if you want to top up your wallet, well, you can just go ahead and ask a friend, pay your friend the amount. Okay, and then once done, you have a PayPal balance. Then you can now go ahead and pay for the items you bought online. All right, and there you have it. That is how you pay with PayPal without credit card. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.